this is looking pretty great, but we have no way to get into a single app. So we need to give a link over here. So if I click on that link, that's going to take me to that particular node. So in order to do that, the first thing is we need to get to the nodes, urls.py over here. I want to add a name. So we're going to say name, and I'm going to set the name to nodes.detail. Okay, I just copy this name. Let's close this. And after the div card body, we're going to say div.card footer. Okay, and inside this, we're going to add a anchor tag and give a class for that. So btn info. I'm going to say btn sm. And here we're going to say weave note. Okay, and now we need to add the URL. So we're going to say URL. The name we want to give is nodes detail, but this is going to a specific node, right? So we need to specify the private key, and also we need to specify the node ID. So it's the private key is equals to node.id. That's it. Save that. Let's get back to our page and let's hit refresh. So you can see that we have weave node, and if I click on weave node, that's going to take me to that particular node. If I click on this one, it's going to take me to the second node. And if I click on this one, that's going to take me to the third node. But the nodes here are not looking that great, so we need to make the nodes look much better, the details nodes. So we'll see how you can customize the detailed nodes in the next class.